Saturday!
Happy Sassy Saturday!
Happy Sassy Saturday! Happy Squash Saturday! Happy Saturday! It is Vlogtober. Happy Vlogmas Day 11. We are just about heading out the door, but before I do, let me open my advent calendar. Maybe I can make this for my ride out the door. So today is December 11th. Ooh, this might be a hot chocolate. It's the original donut shop duo, white chocolate and vanilla. Wow, that sounds delicious. Nash. I'm gonna make me a green mountain. This is day 9. I'm gonna make me a coffee before I head out the house. Oh, nugget. Yeah. Oh, there you guys go. Oh, the sun is coming out. Look at that big one.
Oh, I want that pigeon.
Oh, that's a big one.
I got one on me. Kylie has still her first bag of food left.
How much are you willing to bet that one pound of fish got out of the water?
We are at the Valley of the Temples, the Byodo-In Temple. The Byodo. So today's our activity we're gonna do today is what Carly been wanting to do is feed the fish and just hang out over here,
Enjoy life.
enjoying the beautiful scenery. It's kind of crowded today. There's a lot of people. We have up front close seat of the koi fish. Carly, can you get the birds to come on your hand for the people?
Not really. They're going for chalet.
Chalet, can you get the birds to come on your hand for the people?
I don't know.
Try it.
Don't worry, I'm summoning them with my dude.
Oh, look at this thing coming over here.
Oh no.
Bought fish food in the gift shop over there. The fish food is $2.
He's washing his mouth because your hands are disgusting. Oh, great. Is it hurt that much?
Don't lean too much or you fall in the water.
Is it hurt?
Hold it for you.
No, it's just on. Oh.
He's like, what's going on?
Yeah, I know you want some. Ow. Yeah, it's nice.
Come here, buddy.
It's more pressure going in. More but
Oh yeah. He like kind of grabs onto you.
look, he grabs it and then he takes it in the water.
To help, baby. Yeah? Hold it up for
Yeah, it feels weird. It like grabs onto you a bit. Here, I only have a little bit. Ready? Can you rub?
Watch out before he goes for your toes. I'm just joking.
Oh, I don't have mine. I'm trying.
Okay, so it's 11 o'clock and my battery is gonna die and I don't have a backup battery, so I'm gonna end this vlog quickly. Bye. So my battery died. I had to find my other camera, switch cameras. So let me see if they did the dog's advent calendar. Today is the 10th. Ginger snacks for the dogs. Ginger snacks. My C's calendar, so we can end off the night. Today's the 11th. That's the 11th. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess what it is? I can guess. It's a lollipop. chocolate lollipop. I'm gonna hide this one from Courtney. A nice outing with the family. That was pretty much like our, you could say, our Christmas activity, or just our activity together as a family. And Carly wanted to go to the Valley of the Temples. They have the, I really don't know how to pronounce the name, but we've been there before, and she wanted to feed the fish and the birds. We spent at least over an hour there, and then we ended up at Target, and we headed back home because her niece's birthday, which we celebrated. It was a nice birthday celebration. I think that's gonna be it. It's already after 11, so I'm gonna close out my vlog. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Toodles.